Hi, my name is Roman Bredehoft. I'm a machine learning engineer at Zama in the concrete-ML team. So today I'm going to present a new feature that we released in the 1.5 version. It's called encrypted DataFrame. So basically the idea is that we now enable to run pandas operator in an encrypted manner using fully homomorphic encryption, or FHE. So yeah, let's dive in. So this is a simplified version of a documentation example that we have, so feel free to check out the original. The first step is to download concrete-ML 1.5, of course, but once this is done, you are basically ready to go. So we're going to take a first user with a dataset like this. So this is a pandas data frame. And the idea is to first load a client engine object from concrete-ML and use it to encrypt this data frame. So we can do that using the encrypt from pandas method, like this. And we can see that each values in this data frame is now encrypted. And then we can serialize and save it like this. We are going to take a second user here with another data frame. Basically, the steps are identical to the first user. Just note that for now, we are requiring users to share the private key. This is going to be improved in future releases using public key encryption, but from now, this is how it is. Once we have those data frames, we can send them to the server. So on the server side, the server can load the encrypted data frame using the load encrypted data frame function from concrete-ML. So like this. Obviously, the data frames are still encrypted. And then whenever you can decide to run a pandas operator. So here we are going to take the first data frame and apply a merge operator on the right data frame. We are going to choose to do a left join, so like this, and applying it on the column called index. So this is identical to pandas, but it's going to run it using FHE. So it takes a few seconds, but we can see now that we have a bigger data frame with only encrypted values. And similarly, we can save it like this. Going back to the client side, so both clients, both users are able to decrypt this output. So we're going to take this first one, for example, using the decrypt2pandas method on this encrypted result. We can now see that we have the joined data frame in the clear, so on the client side, as we wanted, and as it would be with pandas in a non-private manner. So this is a feature that we are still working on and going to improve. There are several things to be improved indeed. So bigger precisions, bigger data frames with faster computations. So stay tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on the fhe.org Discord or on our community forum. Thanks a lot and hope to see you soon.